friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. The straight line part 7. In this video, we are going to learn about symmetric form and parametric form of a straight line. First of all, we'll learn about symmetric form. So, what is the statement of this? The equation of a straight line passing through x1 comma y1 and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis measured counterclockwise is x minus x1 is to cos theta is equal to y minus y1 is to sin theta. So this is symmetric form of a straight line. We will derive this formula now. Let us take a straight line L, and given that it is passing through x1 comma y1, let us say this point as p x1 y1, and also given that it is making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Now this is called the inclination of this line L. So when theta is the inclination, what is the slope of the line? M is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta is the slope of the line L, and it is also passing through px1 y1. Then what is the equation of the line? We know the slope here, and we know that it is passing through a point px1 y1. So what is the slope point form of the line? That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Isn't it? Yes. But what is the slope here? M is equal to tan theta. So y minus y1 is equal to tan theta into x minus x1. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta into x minus x1. Let us send sin theta to the other side. You will have y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to x minus x1 by cos theta. Okay, so this is called the symmetric form of the straight line. This is called the symmetric form of the straight line. It can also be written as x minus x1 is to cos theta is equal to y minus y1 is to sin theta. So either it is a division or it is a ratio, both are same. Assume that these both are equal to r. That is x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to r. Y minus y1 by sin theta is also equal to r. So x minus x1 is equal to r cos theta. Y minus y1 is equal to r sin theta. Let us square on both sides and add. That is x minus x1 whole square is equal to r square cos square theta. Y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square sin square theta. If you add them, what you will get? R square sin square theta plus cos square theta. I am adding the right hand side of both the equations. Okay, so here what you have on the left hand side? X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. Here r square sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 is equal to x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. Therefore r is equal to under root x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. Here r is a parameter. What is a parameter? It is not a constant value, it varies. Okay, suppose here what is this x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square under root indicates? It is nothing but the distance between x comma y and x1 comma y1. So x1 y1 is the given point P, xy is any point on the same line L. Okay, so the distance between any point x comma y and P x1 comma y1 is denoted by r. It depends on the value of x1 y1. Therefore r is called a parameter. For any point px comma y, there exists a real number r such that x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. Here what we have, x minus x1 is equal to r cos theta. From this we can say that x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. And what we have here, y minus y1 is equal to r sin theta. From this we can say that y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. So these x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta are called parametric equation of the straight line. And one more thing is this point, this is x, this is y. X comma y always lies on the line L, and it also satisfies the equation x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. Suppose you take the straight line like this. This is p x1 comma y1, and this is p some point x comma y. So the distance between these 2 points is given as r. Suppose you take one more point here, some x2 comma y2. If this point is, this distance is r, then this distance will be minus r. So now we have learned symmetric form and also the parametric form of a straight line. We will do one problem on this. Write the parametric equation of a straight line passing through 3 comma 2 and making an angle 135 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. So what is the parametric equations here? X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. And these are x1 comma y1 is what? 3 comma 2, and angle is 135 degrees. The theta is 135 degrees here. Therefore, x is equal to x1 is 3 plus r cos theta, cos 135 degrees, and y is equal to y1 is 2 plus r sin 135 degrees. So let us substitute the values of cos 135 and sin 135. Cos 135 is cos 90 plus 45, which is equal to minus sin 45, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2. And sin 135 is equal to plus 1 by root 2. Let us substitute in this. X is equal to 3 plus r into minus 1 by root 2, and y is equal to 2 plus r into 1 by root 2. So this can be written as x is equal to 3 plus into minus r by root 2, and y is equal to 2 plus r by root 2. These are the parametric equations of the straight line passing through 3 comma 2 and making an angle 135 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Thank you for watching.